DATS has agreed to acquire Avila Security Corporation, a security company that specializes in securing their issued patents and 2 pending applications. This will expand their intellectual property assets to include blockchain-based digital rights management and object sharing technology. This acquisition follows the appointment of Mark Mathis as Chief Blockchain Architect, demonstrating continued investment and effort toward the implementation of commercially operational blockchain technology in messaging. The proposed acquisition of the intellectual property will further position their significant competitive advantage that they believe will govern key aspects of the Web 3.0 and metaverse infrastructure. Notably, the blockchain-based digital rights management patents alone will give them the ability to develop a platform for users to easily license and manage NFTs, audio and video content, documents, subscriptions, messages, self-sovereign identity and much more. The parties have agreed to an exclusivity period until April 19, 2022, to reach the definitive agreement. There can be no assurance that the terms of a definitive agreement will be agreed to or that the proposed acquisition will be completed as proposed or at all.